To clean a charging port on Motorola Edge 50 Neo using household items, first we'll need to power off our device just for the safety. You can do it by swiping your finger from the top right corner of our screen, and then there's the power button. Just switch it off. Then you can use something like a needle. It's not recommended to use anything metal and put it inside your charging port, but in this case I'm gonna go with this metal. Do it on your own risk. Now when we see the charging port right here, let me try to zoom out. I can't zoom out any further, but grab something like a needle, like I said, and then stick it in there and try to push out any debris. It should come out like this, and then we can swipe it off. Now my charging port is clear. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.